back to Brunette Wig Place. I'm Lisa, and today I am doing a review for Wig Studio One. Just as a reminder, Wig Studio One has a Facebook support group, which is a private group, and the name of that group is Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We invite you to come on over and join that group and join in the wig chat and hair loss chat with us. Wig Studio One also has a coupon code which is good for 30% off most of their brands, and that code is Beautiful You. So today I am wearing this cute voluminous bob called Fabulous, which is from the Rene of Paris Orchid collection. And I had to show you this box. I think this is one of the prettiest boxes I've seen in a wig brand. And plus, look how teeny it is. I don't think I've ever had a wig box that is this teeny. So really cute. Anyway, when the box came in the mail, I didn't realize it had a wig in it because it was a smaller size and I'm used to that standard, I know that's a wig box size, you know. So anyway, this is Fabulous by Rene of Paris from the Orchid collection, and the color on her is Hot Chocolate. Now, hot chocolate I would describe more as dark chocolate. She actually starts off probably from like a 1 up here, a black root, and then gradually gets lighter to a dark brown. So, but really, really cute. So let me do a turn. I do have her behind my ear here. Let me pull her out from behind the ear. I've been loving her tucked behind my ear. So let me do a turn and we'll look at her from all sides. So this is my right side. The back, the stacking in the back is super cute. I love that. My left side, and then back to the front. So, like I said, she is a very voluminous bob, but she reminds me of a woman who has thick hair and has it cut in a short stacked bob. The volume is not coming from permatease with this wig. It is coming from the sheer amount of hair that is on here. This is heat-friendly synthetic, so you can put waves in it if you'd like. You just have to follow manufacturer's directions, which I believe is 300 degrees or less with your curling iron, but you could put some waves in her if you wanted to. But all of this thickness and this volume is just coming from the hair. So you can get a lot of volume on her if you want to, and you don't have to worry about permatease if that's not your thing. You're never going to see, you know, little permatease fibers sticking up because there just isn't any permatease on this wig. So she's really, really pretty. The layers are very pretty in her. The layers don't start really until the end. So we can get into her measurements here. She is 10 inches here in the front, and she gradually gets about an inch shorter as she moves towards the back. But all they did was really just these very front layers are 10 inches, and that just gives them this really pretty, you know, sweep in towards the chin, which I think is, you know, just very feminine, very pretty. And then as she goes back, she has a 9-inch layer for the sides, and then back here on the nape, she is 4.5 to 3 inches. So I think with our 4.5 must be coming in right here where our stacking begins, and then she gradually goes down to where that very layer that comes off of the actual nape is probably that 3-inch layer. So really, really cute, cute style. And I'll show you in a bit, you know, kind of different ways I've been styling her and pretty things that I've been doing with her. So as far as her color, this color, like I said, is called Hot Chocolate. These are considered fashion colors on this particular wig. Not all of the Orchid line wigs are fashion colors, but this particular one does come in their fashion colors. So, but I mean, I think it's also just a normal hair color. It's not, you know, not anything wild. So it starts off up here on the top. Like I said, to my eye, I see black. And then it gradually goes into a dark, online I saw it described as a medium brown, and it is kind of reflecting in the camera as medium brown, but I do want to tell you that what I see with my eye is a dark brown. It doesn't look very medium brown to me. Sorry, I'm getting a glare there. I'm trying to prevent that from happening. Sometimes when the camera doesn't have my face, it glares out like that. So, so anyway, you know, pretty color, but it's a dark brown, definitely a dark brown. So as far as her cap construction, she does have a mono part, but it's only a couple of inches long. So you can see you have some parting and then you go into just hair. But unlike a a full, you know, just a basic cap, there's no permatease up there. You just have the hair starts coming out and it's just these long hairs. So there aren't any of those little short permatease, you know, even though you have just really like a half a part there. So also she has a lace front going across the front here, and you can see that lace front. Lace front is nicely done. The knots, even though it's a dark color, are not, sorry, my lighting is really playing around with this. I think the dark color, it's reflecting off of it. So, but anyway, you can see that lace front looks really good. So I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So, like I said, she has that just short lace front and then that little, really the size of about a quarter of my finger there. As far as that lace front and monopart, and then she's got lace covered ear tabs, and they've got a good, you know, decent sized piece of metal in there. And then she has an extended nape that's also covered in that lace, and she has the bra strap type adjusters on her. So I will pop her back on. Get her straightened out there. Okay, really, really cute. So let's take her outside and we will look at this color Hot Chocolate out in the natural light. Okay, so we are out here with this Hot Chocolate color from Rene of Paris from the Orchid collection. And as you can see, out here in this natural light, now it is a cloudy day, it really does look, to me, I'm seeing, I guess I can see the browns in there, but I'm seeing a lot of that dark, but it's definitely a dark brown. I'll just come out here in the light. But you can see it is a pretty dark brown color there. Definitely starts off, you know, darker rooting, which is to me black, and then goes into this darker color. Okay, so we are back inside with this fabulous wig from Rene of Paris in Hot Chocolate. And as you can see, you know, I think it really helps to see those colors outside in that natural light. It definitely doesn't show the shine and stuff that I get in here with the lighting and everything. So really, really pretty color though. So I've been doing lots of things with her. Of course, you can do your standard, you know, you can pull, since she has this lace front. Sorry, she's slipping on me a little bit. I have a petite head and she is an average size cap, so she's just slipping on me a little because of that. But you know, you can put her in a clip and, you know, pull all the hair back off your face if you want to, or you can go get her out of my face here, or you could pull back, you know, just a little bit with a claw clip, with a pretty little, you know, bobby pin with something sparkly on it. That's pretty with this color. But one really fun thing that I've been playing around with her with is a scarf. And I don't think this is something that I've shown in previous videos. And she actually really is cute when you play around with her with a scarf. So I was taking the scarf and just sort of putting it right in the middle of the wig. And you could do this too with, you know, just a standard headband. And I was tying it and I thought she looked really, really cute like that. So, you know, tie it and let some of these layers fall forward. Let the rest kind of go back around that scarf. Looks really, really cute. I love this scarf with this color. It's very pretty. So, or if you wanted to do it, you know, more like a headband, put the hair behind the ears. And then put that scarf, whoops. Of course, when you try to do this on camera, it's not as easy. Put that scarf on there. And again, you know, tie it back there and it looks really, really cute. And then you can pull this out around it. But see, so the same thing, it would work great with a cute, just one of those little headbands that slips on too, or a square band would be pretty with it. So really, really cute style. I think that even though she's shorter, because she does have the bob length, you know, you can get away with some different styles with her. Like I said, I like tucking her behind my ear. And that also, if that volume on the side is a little much, she's cute tucked behind the ear too. So, you know, and she ear tucks very well. I don't think I went over her ear tabs, by the way. So ear tabs are nice, you know, the metal in there. She has a thin piece, but it seems to be staying in place whenever I, you know, adjust it, it's not moving. So it seems to be working just fine. So, and I feel like I have good coverage around the edge there. You know, if you do have hair underneath there, I think you'd have good coverage, you know, for that. So really, really cute style. I think I have covered everything on her. One thing I was thinking when I was playing around with her earlier is if you like a bang, I think you could take these front layers and, you know, cut across there and make yourself like a, what do they call that, a fringe or a curtain bang. It might split, you know, here where the part is a little bit, but that would still be cute. You would still have some, you know, forehead coverage there. You could also just take this front layer and put it behind your ear, and that gives you a little more, you know, forehead coverage with that. So really, really pretty style, very chic and just really beautiful style. And like I said, I love the cut. I love how it turns in towards the chin. Just has kind of a 60s vibe to it. It's really cool. So anyway, this has been Fabulous in the color Hot Chocolate by Rene of Paris. Again, I would like to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this wig to review. All the information for purchasing her will be below. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.